I'm Carolyn from Homesteading Family, and a lot of you guys might know me as the food preservation lady, and I guess that's true. I've taught hundreds of thousands of people how to safely can delicious food so that they have great food sitting on their shelves. But today I'm working on a simple batch of pickled vegetables, and as I go, I wanted to answer one of the questions that I hear more than almost any other question out there, and that is water bath canning actually safe? Or should I be pressure canning everything? This question usually comes from a really good place. People want to do this right, and that's really important. They want to keep their family safe, and there's a lot of really mixed information out there that can make canning feel a lot more intimidating than it needs to be. But here's the simple answer. Water bath canning is very safe when we're working with high acid foods. That includes things like fruits, jams, jellies, syrups, pickled foods that use enough vinegar or natural acidity, like these pickled vegetables that I'm gonna make today. The reason that acidity matters is because certain harmful bacteria simply can't grow in acidic environments. When you combine that acidity with the boiling water from your canner and the proper processing time in your canner, then you're creating conditions where those unsafe bacteria, like botulism, just purely cannot survive. For those of you who like a little bit of the science behind the why, water bath canning is used for foods with a pH below 4.6. That number matters because botulism literally cannot grow below that in acidity levels. It's just too acidic for it, and so it just can't actually grow. That's why tested recipes and proper acid levels are such a big deal in canning. So when we move into things that are lower acid foods, like plain vegetables without the vinegar, meats, soups, broths, sauces, things like that, that's when pressure canning is required. That's because those foods need higher temperature than boiling water can provide. And again, you don't need to pressure can everything, just those things that are really low in acid. And yes, water bath canning is absolutely safe when it's used the right way. And that's also why something simple like pickled vegetables is such a really great place to start your canning journey. The process is really straightforward, the safety margin is very solid, and you get to build confidence right away. So if you're like me and you love learning in a really visual step-by-step way, I created the free 2-jar challenge where it walks you through your first 2 jars really calmly, really safely, so that you can start canning without feeling overwhelmed or like you're doing it all by yourself and you're not sure if you're doing it right. Don't worry, it's totally free. You can jump in right now using the link that I have below for you in the description. Okay, you've got this. Happy canning.